Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to reschedule a shift in Instawork. So to reschedule a shift in Instawork, you will need to cancel your current shift and book a new one that aligns with your updated availability. So to do this, open the Instawork app, then navigate to the My Shift tab and select the shift you wish to reschedule. Then tap on it, then hit the cancel button, then follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation. So once cancelled, return to the shift tab to browse and book a new shift that fits your schedule. And please note that cancelling a shift less than 24 hours before its start times may negatively impact your reliability rating on the platform. So frequently, last time cancellation can affect your eligibility for certain opportunity. So if you are unable to cancel through the app or need assistance, contact the instant support through the help desk. You can also reach out to them using the email, which is help@instantwork.com, and that's it.